On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about how to give specific people your stuff in a will. Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show. Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 59 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I'm your host, and I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. I'm super excited and happy to be here with you, as always, to talk a little estate planning, to talk a little bit of wills, to talk a little bit of fun stuff. And today's episode comes from a question a client had, actually. They were concerned and they wanted to make sure that they could give someone that they wanted something specific. And they became more concerned when I started to ask them questions, because I said, well, think about what happens if that person dies. Do you want that thing to go to their family? Do you want it to go to someone else? Do you want it to revert back to your people? What do you want it to do? And they hadn't really thought about that, and they didn't realize that if you don't include language like that, that certain very specific things can happen to the things that may be the most important to you, things to you in the world. And so it's important to really consider that and think about that when you are giving specific things to specific people. But to answer the more broad question, how do you do that? And it's really simple. In your will, you can do it one of two ways. You can actually do it inside of the will. So if you want someone to get something specific, if it's a piece of property, something like that, cash, you want to put it inside of your will as a specific bequest. But if it's a wedding ring, if it's a favorite hat, if it's a mouse that's your favorite and has some sentimental value and you want to give it to someone specific, then what you can do is the wills that we create, they come with a sort of a personal property rider, which is a thing on the back that you can update and change without having to change your entire will. You can do it that way. The one thing to remember, though, the important thing to remember is that if you don't specifically state whether or not the property passes down to the person that you're giving it to their family or to yours, it can cause some problems and there can be some confusion there. So you want to make sure that you do that you take care of that beforehand, because it can be a problem. All right. So the simple answer is talk to a lawyer, and they will tell you what to do, or they will give you advice and make sure that what you want actually happens. That's the critical part. All right. That's it for today. I am really excited and happy and honored to be able to speak with you. If you ever have any questions or need any estate planning help, please call 206-659-1512. We offer a free consultation. I'd love to chat with you. We can do it over the phone or in person, whatever you want. You can also email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. Thank you, and I will talk to you soon.